Don't go so fast. Come on. Woo!
Did you get that, Skylar?
I'm in the street. Oh my God. Oh God.
Better gun punch.
Oh my God, that's horrible. You're like, woo! Why did you put it that way?
That's how he showed me to do it. Like this. This is exactly how you held it. It shot me in the crotch.
Skylar, can I see that?
Yeah, hold on. Okay. Say bye, Mom.
I'm so mad at you, Mike.
Somebody say, you say bye.
Bye.